Microcomputer and mini-computer. Microcomputer, I. A microcomputer is a standard desktop computer used at a home and in business. 2. A microcomputer is a computer with a microprocessor as its CPU. 3. They are cheap, compact and can be easily accommodated on a study table. 4. Microcomputer is a single-user computer. V. The two most common types of storage devices used with microcomputers are tapes and disks. 6. Microcomputer is not powerful or as fast as mini-computer. 7. Examples are modern computers like desktop, laptop etc. Mini-computer, I. Mini-computers are mid-sized computer used in universities, research labs, and small corporations. 2. Mini-computers are faster than microcomputers. 3. They are expensive and larger than microcomputer. 4. Mini-computer is a multi-user computer. V. For secondary storage, most mini-computers use magnetic disks or tapes. 6. Mini-computer is powerful than microcomputer but not a supercomputer and mainframe computer. 7. Examples are IBM 9375, Motorola 68000, and 40 etc.